What's your good name?
I am Bhavesh, BK Bhavesh.
Okay. What is your education qualification?
I'm Tech Mechanical Engineering
Okay. Where you did?
from UK, in Northumbria University, Newcastle upon Tyne.
Okay. So you are in Shantivan.
Yes, I am in Shantivan, Aburore.
Okay. You tell me after the accident, what was the problem was prevailed in your eye and something, the scar in the head. So how the miracle drinks has helped for you?
I mean, after the accident, there were many surgeries on my head. In this little part, there were.
You just take out your this and so that.
In this little part, there were I think 5 to 6 surgeries happened to me, and even my eyelid was not opening up fully. So after the surgery, there were I was on many tablets on the neuro tablets, and I haven't taken any tablets before the accident. But after the accident, I have like a full bag of medicines I had to take, and then I don't like allopathy at all. So I was looking for something, and then suddenly I found the miracle thing, and then I started that, and means if I forget the allopathy medicines sometimes, or if I don't take it, then next day I just wake up in the hospital.
My God.
Yes.
So such a way.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it was happened 7-8 times. If I forget for a couple of days, or if I minimize it, then I could not. In the sleeping time, or once I was like walking around the street and I fell down. So that was happened, and then next day I wake up in the hospital. That's it. So then I have to recover, because body takes a lot of time to recover, and then again it has to start from zero. Right. So I was looking for something for permanent, because doctor told me you have to take these medicines for 5 years at least. So then I found this miracle drinks, and now just been 2 months I'm taking miracle drinks, and half tablets a week, weekly half tablets.
So earlier, how many tablets you used to
3
take?
tablets a day.
A day. So now you have minimized from 3 tablet to half a tablet weekly.
Half tablet 7 days.
7 days.
7 days, yes.
So that means you yourself experimenting on your body.
Yes, yes.
So that's why now suddenly your madam has just told me that.
Yes, that's right.
So suddenly she said that really the miracle drinks had given a great relief to my husband. So that's why I thought that I should take this testimonial to just show you to the entire world who are really suffering from this type of that neurological issues. So wonderful. Tell me, madam, something you wanted to express. No, that's why. Otherwise, I have just forgotten. I just, I was just, hearing about your, some issues, but whereas I never thought that he had so much relief. So the moment you said that my husband had, I think because of that confidence only he met up, came over. बताइए.
इनको होता था तो मैं 15 दिन में खड़ी भी नहीं रह सकती, ऐसा मुझे
हो जाता था. Okay, because naturally, because you are a part of the life. थोड़ा भी उनको uneasiness हुआ तो आपका uneasiness हो जाता है. That's entire in the world, it's attachment. So I am very happy. Okay, and also my request is that flax diet. It's very, very important. The flax diet with 1 tablespoon of oil, which is equivalent to 1 quintal worth of peanuts in availability of lignans and omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So lignans का main role है कि to detoxify the cell, and omega-3 omega-6 fatty acids का role है to regulate cellular metabolic activity and cellular respiratory system. So thereby the entire organ can regulate its functions. What is metabolic activity? It's nothing but simple in layman language, improving the digestive, that capacity of the cell. And regulating the respiratory system means during the course of that, digestion, whatever the toxins are coming out, it will get, taking out from the organ. So organ means group of tissues, tissue means group of cells. So इसलिए वो इतना महत्वपूर्ण है. एंड यूज टू टेल दैट अभी डिस्कस करने हीट है वगैरह, हीट हो सकता है लेकिन बॉडी को धीरे 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 देते देते ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी को एडजस्ट करा सकता है कुछ भी हो, बिकॉज बॉडी ऐसा चीज़ है किसी मतलब क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस में एडजस्ट हो सकता है, बट स्लोली इट विल गेट एडजस्ट. सिमिलरली फॉर फूड एज वेल एज ऑल दीज डाइट सप्लीमेंट्स के लिए. ओके, थैंक यू.